So hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to track someone's location or spy on them. Although spying is not recommended at all, but still, if you want to try, or there are many people who just wants to know other person's location. Like you can take examples of toxic couples. Okay, so it's for them to if they want to know their boyfriend's or girlfriend's location. Sure, you can do this using this way. You will be needing the person's mobile phone for a minute. We will not be installing any app or anything. We'll just use their Google Maps, and their location will be on your mobile phone, and you can track them anytime you want. But and they will never be able to know that something like that is happening. So open Google Maps now. Click on profile, then on location sharing, share location, and under share your real-time location, change it from 1 hour to until you turn this off, so that you will get the location continuously until this option is turned off. And then type your email ID where you want to receive the person's location. So I'll be entering my other email ID here, and I'll click on send. It will need location access, so give it the access. Go to settings, allow the time, and it will do it. So what we'll do now is that we'll open Google Maps with the Gmail ID which we had entered in that phone, so that we can track the location. So we'll click again on the profile section, location sharing, and now you will be getting this Harsh Pathak location in the lower column. So we'll click on it, and it is getting updated. You can see that the address is being shown where I am, and it shows battery also, and it will automatically get updated in real time. Okay, so we can also do this on desktop. Let me show it here. So we'll open Chrome. Google Maps is already open. We'll click on this menu, and here it is location sharing. We'll click on it, and so here it is showing the location. I'll click on it, and it will show me. So this is how we can track anyone. It just needs a little effort by having their phone for a minute, and then you can access their location at all the times.